Hello friends, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, wherever you are live from, my greetings to you and your families. And I'm sure your family and you are doing very well and you are keeping well at your workplace as well. Whatever you do, whatever you're doing, wherever you're doing. I have a huge concern for your happiness, for yourself. Today I have a great news for special citizens of 8 countries. If you have heard about these countries, Afghanistan, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Nepal, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Maldives. If you belong to these countries and this video is for you. Before you continue, I would really request and urge you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. The reason why I'm asking, because I have taken this cause very seriously and I was not working very well on digital media or social media, and I really want to accelerate. I work hard to be louder enough to reach to the higher authority where we can meet our purpose. This news I have received just a while back and I'm so excited to share with you. Right now I'm sitting in my car in Salalah in Oman, and I just want to share with you from live video. I don't want to waste more time to record a proper video and to share with you, but this video will be shared on YouTube channel as well as on my Facebook page. So I request and urge you all, please do subscribe my channel as well as like my page, so you can keep a track of every trip of mine and each and every update I'm going to share on social media. The great news is, if you have heard about Saarc. Saarc is South Asia Association Regional Corporation. It's an organization consists of 8 countries, and these 8 countries came together and they signed a contract in 1985 and they started operating in 1987. And unfortunately, because of political unrest or political scenarios in this South Asian region, they were not able to work very well. So now, since I have started following and started working in politics for past around 1.5 years, when I started working on my project as Border Free World. When I started working on it, I started traveling a lot, started meeting so many political bodies, political groups, to learn more, to know more about this region as well as this entire world. Then I got to know this organization never worked the way it deserved. These people, they are more than 1.8 billion in 8 countries, and they will be able to move freely like Europe. In Europe right now, I want to give you a brief introduction of that. In Europe, there are around 27-28 countries, and citizens of these countries, they can move freely wherever they want in that particular region in Europe. But there are so many other countries which are accepting their multiple visas for their entries, which is great news. That right now the critical region on this planet is South Asia, which has more political scenarios, situations where majority of people, they really want to come together, work together, study together and take care of other people's healthcare. But unfortunately, because of political situations, they are not able to do so, because of small number of people which seem to be powerful than the majority. And now fortunately everything is sorted, and in just few months or couple of years the max, you will see this region is prospering. And one thing I really want to share with you, I don't want to politicize my speech, but I want to share with you, after the trip of Prime Minister Imran Khan from Pakistan, this cause has taken a surge. And this, I don't want to give credit to anybody, but this region is going to prosper, you believe or not. The majority of political bodies and the people from these nations, they are all set to grow together. In few months or in couple of years, the max, as I mentioned, you will be able to move freely in these countries without visa or with after easy visa processes. So this is something great for these people. And now you will be able to study in other countries in this South Asian region I'm talking about. And you will be able to go and travel to other countries for healthcare purposes. You will be able to do businesses with these countries very easily. You will be able to do traveling. There are so many places you want to visit, I'm sure. But because of these scenarios, these situations, we are not able to do it. So ladies and gentlemen, this is great news for you all. Make sure you share this video to so many other people so they can feel excited about it. They can feel good, because this region has seen darkest night in human history. So these people deserve something shining, something great in their life. They deserve a great news. So this is the great news for you all. If you belong to these countries, you are going to be set free, visa free or easy visa processes in just few months. And after that, your countries, once your region is peaceful, and you will be able to move to other countries such as America, the American continent, Europe, Africa. These countries will accept you better than they've been considering you earlier. I'm sure you will not watch this video, or you will not watch this news on any media channel, on any other social media channels. But this is something I'm sharing with you because I've just received this news a while back, and I want to share with you because I was so excited. So I did not want to make a proper video and share with you, but to share a live news with you. I'm going to share this video on YouTube channel, as I mentioned earlier, and on my Facebook page. Please do subscribe and like my channel. Now I've started requesting people to like and subscribe my channels. Why? Because I want to take myself to the higher leadership, so we can work together. We can make this dream come true, and I'm sure this dream is going to come true. We are going to make and leave a huge impact in people's lives. And I really want to thank each and every one of you. I was not able to read your names. I want to thank you all for coming and watching live. Please, if you are able to do so, do like it, share with other people so they can also feel good about, and they can feel proud they are part of these countries. They are nationals of these countries. And I really thank you very much for being part of my life and being a great support throughout my journey. I will keep in touch with you. I will keep sharing great news with you all wherever I am, whichever part of the world I am living in or working in or traveling into. This is my promise to you, and I expect one thing from you is a positive attitude, positive energy. Start helping people around you, because this is what at least we can do. You believe or not, a positive word can change a person's life, and a negative person can ruin a society. So what we can do is we can always speak positive. When you are meeting other people, make sure give them benefit of doubt. When they're speaking, don't judge immediately. I don't judge people. Wherever I go, I meet with so many people from different cultures, what they eat, the way they dress, the way they speak. I do not judge them. I respect the way they are, and you believe or not, they give me double respect. They give me multiplication of respect, multiple respect back to me. So that makes me smile more, live more, and do more for them and for the rest of societies. So great news for people of Afghanistan, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Guys, you are going to feel proud of your countries and you are going to travel a lot in your region because your countries are going to work together. I really want to thank each and every person who is watching, who will be watching this video, who has worked hard, who have worked hard to make this happen and making this happen. And one last thing I want to share with you before I finish my video, that it was not easy. It was not easy because I was watching it very closely. It was blood-sucking process, you believe or not. But people worked hard. These positive people, they really want to add value in people's lives of this region because they are so concerned. They don't want to these upcoming generations to face the same monarchy they have faced in their lives. So they want to make it happen no matter what. There are a small number of people still, they don't want this to happen. But we should not care about it. Our purpose is to make things happen. All positive things, we will make them happen. We will support our positive leadership, whoever is coming, whoever is supporting this cause. We are with that person. I'm with that person. I'm silently working behind. I don't need a position in any country, in any group of people, but I want something to happen. I want to do something for people of this region and this entire world. This is the one leg of my lifetime dream, which is the border free. Once this is done, South Asia part is done. Africa is doing very well as far as the African region or African people are concerned, as I mentioned already. And Asia part, which is the East Asia, which has Taiwan, China, Japan, these countries are doing very well. And if we talk about American continent, that part is doing very well. But the major problem was here in South Asia, which is going to be sorted very soon. And now we are all going to work together, live together, play together, enjoy our lives together, study together. We are going to support our, you believe or not, once this is done, very soon in few months or in just less than a couple of years, you will see the smile on people's face. You will see the media channels will be struggling to find the issues because the people are going to get together. They are going to study together. They are going to take care of each other's health. They are going to support in every aspect of their lives. This is we all should do. I'm repeating a lot of things again and again. The reason is I want you to live what I'm saying it. Trust me, whatever I'm saying it, I'm trying to practice in my lives. Wherever I go, I practice positive attitude, positive vibes, the positive word selection. And this is the legacy I want to leave in my life. With your support, the brothers and sisters of all these 8 countries are going to support each other. Why I'm saying that, after traveling to so many of these countries, what I have observed, people have so much love for each other, so much love for each other, we cannot even imagine in our dreams. But when we learn only when we travel and we meet them. But from media, from newspapers, from all social media where there are people are sitting because their business is to create hype, which is the negative hype, and make money out of it. But I'm sure the dark night is going to go away and the dark night for these negative people is going to come soon. The rise of new sun, positive sun, is going to start for this region. And ladies and gentlemen, let's work together. You believe or not, this world is going to be a better place because people of this world has awakened, and the credit, partial credit, goes to social media as well. Really, social media, I don't think the social media people who invented social medias they have ever thought of making this happen. But with the help of social media, this world is going to this world is going to unite. People are going to work together, they are going to live together, they are going to consider each other their relatives, their family. So this is what I really wish if I could see in my life. This is the purpose of my life. I just want to thank you for coming live and watching. Please do share, do like, subscribe my YouTube channel so we can raise our voice and take it to the right people who can take initiative, who can take calls. Because when we watch people who are positive, sometimes they are bound, they are not able to do something just because there are so many other elements which are holding them back. When we will raise our voice, we majority, it will leave an impact. Thank you so much for being part of my life. Again, positive is positive. When we speak truth, when we speak positive, you believe or not, that is the reality. Nobody can change reality. When we speak reality, when we speak positive, it's going to stay. No matter what, no matter if people are listening or not, people are accepting or not. But negative is negative. That has no life. If people think they can survive for entire in their entire life, you believe or not, I have not seen a people who are negative, who are not doing something great for society. They are living happy life, and I'm sure you don't want to live such life. You want to live happy life, and you want to leave the legacy for next generations to come. If we think of other people's generations, trust me, the impact will be reversed to our generations, our people, our kids, our families, our brothers and sisters, our parents. So this is what we are going to live. So I was so excited, I wanted to share with you this news, and now this video will be shared on my YouTube channel as well as Facebook page. So please do share and subscribe. I really thank each one of you. I really thank each one of you from Salalah, where the weather is beautiful. This is the place if you want, if you can, please do visit. This is one of the greatest places I have ever visited. This is not a cliche. I'm not saying for the sake of saying it, because I have been saying it wherever I go. But this is a place which has mountains, and after 20 kilometers, you will see no visibility, and you will see sun is shining. You will see a beach. You will see desert. Everything is mixed, and this is one of the greatest places you will ever witness. So, ladies and gentlemen, take care of yourself. I have learned from my mentors, from my seniors, from my teachers, from my parents, that if you want to live a longer, healthier and happier life, live for people, and you are going to live longer. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay healthy. You are amazing. Recognize your uniqueness every single day. Love you.